Seek wisdom, broaden your understanding. This is how an almost 200-year-old Saint Catherine of Alexandria Parish and its congregation molded the values and beliefs of Agnoans into who they are today: peaceful, loving, and kind.
The Christianity here in Agno was established in the year 1601. This church is one of the oldest church in Pangasinan. It was built in the year 1830s. At alam niyo ba na ang retablo na ito ay replika lamang ng orihinal. Because its original retablo was sold to finance the repair of this church in the year 1978. And another interesting fact, ang pagpapatayo rito ay ginamitan ng maraming egg whites para mas tumibay. Kaya kahit ilang bagyo man ang lumipas, heto pa rin at nakatayo.
A church is a place that judges no one, a place that gives value even if you have none. This church is a testament to that. Carved in its walls and panels are stories and wisdom earned throughout the history.